degrees. Atlanta, partly sunny, 79. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 600, effective until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Tennessee: Carter, Koch, Greene, Hancock, Hawkins, Johnson, Sullivan, Unicoi and Washington, and the following counties in North Carolina: Avery, Madison, Mitchell and Yancey. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The 11 a.m. area weather out. Tornado Watch number 599 remains in effect until 6. Interstate 81 in Tennessee between mile markers 1 and 17. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for East Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Madison County in western North Carolina, Mitchell County in western North Carolina, Avery County in western North Carolina, northeastern Buncombe County in western North Carolina, Yancey County in western North Carolina, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles northwest of Newland to 6 miles northeast of Burnsville to 12 miles east of Marshall, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Spruce Pine, Burnsville, Newland, Mars Hill, Banner Elk, Elk Park, Bakersville, Beech Mountain in Avery County, Crossnor and Sugar Mountain. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for western North Carolina. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for western North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location areas affected occurred. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK-47, the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcasting from Holston Mountain. And now your 7-day forecast for the double... The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Washington County, eastern Koch County, Greene County, Unicoi County, southwestern Carter County, east central Hamilton County, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pottsville, or 8 miles northeast of Newport, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Johnson City, Greenville, Elizabethton, Irwin, Jonesboro, Tusculum, Pottsville, Banner Hill, Central and Midway. This includes the following highways: Interstate 26 in Tennessee between mile markers 18 and 54. Interstate 81 in Tennessee between mile markers 18 and 28. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for East Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK-47, the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcasting from Holston Mountain, with content originating from your National Weather Service office in Morristown, Tennessee. And now your 7-day forecast for the WXK-47 listening area, including the Tri-Cities and vicinity. Today, partly sunny with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms this morning, then showers with thunderstorms. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a flash flood warning for northern Cocke County, southern Greene County, southeastern Hamilton County, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Morristown, Greenville, Newport, Tusculum, Pottsville, Mosheim, Caney Branch, Cedar Creek, Bybee, Camp Creek and Leland. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. And now your 7-day forecast for